Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain you how you can set up a Visual Studio, the SpecFlow project in Visual Studio. For that, what you have to do is you have to click on File and then click on New Project, and in the New Project window you have to select Unit Testing Project. So on the left hand side select Test, and then over here in the templates you have to select Unit Test Project. Just click on OK, and once you are over here you have to add some references. Like I have added this spec run and SpecFlow. So for adding the references you have to right click on the references and then click on manage nugget packages. Over there you will find in the browse section you have to search SpecFlow, and it will display all the packages that are available with that name. So you have to install this SpecFlow and specrun.specflow in your project. You need to also install this thing called as extension for the SpecFlow. If you go to the extensions manager over here, I have already installed that particular thing, but if you haven't installed you can go to the online section and then select or search SpecFlow. As you can see, this is found. So you have to install the extension, that is separate thing, and this nugget packages as well in your project. Once you do that, you can start adding the feature files in your project. So I have added one bank.feature file over here, and to create the step definitions for this, what you can do is you can right click on this particular scenario and then click on generate step definition. If there is no step definition for any of the step, it will automatically say that these steps are undefined, and then it will give the templates as well. Say for example, then I leave ATM. So this is one step that I have just added, and then there is no step definition for this one. So if I click on generate step definitions, it will say that this particular step is not the step definition is not found for that step, and it will ask you where you want to put that particular step. So here you can give the name of the step file and you can click on generate. So it will actually generate the step definition class file for that one, and you can give the name of the path file. So it will generate the step for that one. So that's how you can add the steps. So I'll show you sample step definition. Go to step definition. You can go to step definition by right clicking on here, and then here you can add your implementation. You can give here sample code, and here is this bank feature files step 2. So that's how you can add the implementation of your steps. And once you are done with that, what you can do is you can execute this scenario by just right clicking on that and then clicking on run SpecFlow scenarios. Before that, make sure that in the app.config file you have got the settings. Unit test provider name is SpecRun, and in the plugins you have also added the SpecRun. So if that setting is there, all you can do is you can rebuild the project, and then the tests or the scenarios will appear on the left hand side. As you can see in the sanity section, it is showing these tests because we have tagged those scenarios. So it groups this particular tests using the tags because we have selected traits over there. And if you go to the sanity, you can execute that test, ATM money withdrawal test or the scenario, by just right clicking on that. So in the SpecFlow runner, actually evaluation version waits for some specific time. Now sometimes 9 seconds, 13 seconds. So if you buy that one, the license for that spec runner, this particular delay is removed. So that's how you can like add the new feature files in the project, then add the references for the SpecFlow, create step definitions, and then run your tests or the scenarios in SpecFlow in Visual Studio. If you like this video, hit like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos Please subscribe to my channel and also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.